Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing a little creek fishing trip for carp. Got my son out here, Ryder, with me today. Say hi, Ryder. So we're just using some sweet corn, and here's a little bit of the creek. It's a little bit up from some rain, but it came down significantly, so we think we're pretty good to be fishing it today. This is actually my first time actually out here carp fishing it. About a mile upstream. You all right? Yeah. I caught a carp last year, about 10 pounds, so never tried it during the winter, but we're gonna see if we can put some on the board today. Go ahead, buddy, set the hook, yank it. What you got? Oh, you got a big old creek chub. Look at that. Look at that. Got our first one.
Can I pet it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Ah.
It's okay.
Every step.
Cool, man. We got one.
Every stop moving around.
Hey, pound it. Yeah.
Yep. Say hi.
Hi. Getting a bite on sweet corn right now. Not sure what it is. Could be a catfish or a carp. It's kind of just bouncing around a little bit, not really taking it, so we'll see.
Yeah, that we'll see. I tried two more.
What do you want me to say? We already recorded one.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Hi.
Another big old one. All right. Well, guys, it turned into a pretty crappy day for carp, but we're catching pretty good bait out here, so we're definitely going to stick with this. I have 2 points. I'm beating him. What do you think? That's a pretty good size one, huh? All right. All right, we're out here fishing still. And what have you caught today? The creek chub.
A creek chub with a big old corn.
Big old creek chub on corn, huh? Yeah, you did a good job. You reeled it in on Daddy's pole, or did you use your pole?
Daddy's pole.
Daddy's pole, and you did a great job. Proud of you.
0.
Proud of you. I have 0 points, he says. How many points do you have? 1 point, because you got one creek chub, huh?
But you wanna have it, so you have it.
Yep, I'm gonna try to catch up with you. Yeah, all right.
What?
We got creek chub number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Hold it. Don't let him flip in the water.
Okay. Hi.
All right, here, I'll go put him in the thing.
The bag. Thank you guys for watching Carp and Tats.